Hi, I'm George Thomas,
And I'm Fuad.
and this is our CS125 final project video. For our project, we decided to make an app called Remindo. Basically, it's a reminder app where the user can enter a reminder of their choosing and then set a time that the reminder notification will pop up on their phone.
Now, the reason we chose this app was due to a story, which was that I'd have to send WhatsApp messages to my dad at the end of every month, reminding him to make payments for the dorm, as it would be a monthly payment. But as I was human, I'd be fairly inconsistent with this task. So George and I just thought about why not try and automate such a task. And so initially we came up with an app that would send automated WhatsApp messages. But we realized how much time we actually had and how difficult the task was, and so we decided to go for a simpler idea which still achieved similar results, which was why we came up with the idea of Remindo. So interesting technical problems we had were twofold. We first started by working on an app that had one screen, but we wanted to try and do an app that worked by having the time picker, which would allow you to choose a time on one screen, while having your task be on the task you pick to be on another screen. The problem is it was incredibly difficult to actually transfer information with calendar data from one screen to another, and so we just put everything on one screen in order to make it easier. And the other error we had was, for a while, an error would stop the app from compiling, which said that main activity didn't exist. But once we changed the phone that we were using in the Android emulator, that problem never ended up occurring again.
So to share the app between us, because one of us would be working at once, we would push our stuff to this Git file, Remindo. So once one person was finished coding, it was the other person's turn. They would push their new commits, and then the other person would pull it. Alright, so I'm using the Pixel 3 Android emulator that Android Studio provides to demo this app. So basically what you have here is a time picker where you can choose whatever hour and minute you want. Exactly, I put, let me put 5:55. And then I have this message. Well, you can put whatever message you want here. I put this app works, and if you click this reminder button, which is also the logo of the app, it should send this notification up here in your notification bar. And it does do that indeed. Alright, so basically we also have this unreminder button where, say, you send a notification but like, oh, I don't want the notification anymore. You click Remindo, and then if you click Unremindo directly afterward, it won't show any notification. So, you don't have to worry about anything.
So the new Android Studio features that we used were the time picker and the alarm manager. So the time picker just allows you to pick a certain time, so it shows a clock with with the hours and the minutes. And so you're allowed to choose whatever time you want in order to, allow an alarm to go off whenever it wants. Which then transitions me to the next feature, which was the alarm manager. And the alarm manager is basically a bunch of services that allow you to set off an alarm. And so the alarm manager is what basically allows the app to go off and send a notification to you, which goes off due to its dependency on the time picker. And so you pick the time, and then the alarm manager will go off at the specific time that you chose.
Alright, that's it for the demo. Thank you for watching our video.
Yep, we really appreciate it. Bye.